Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome back to my videos. I'm making a very quick video here on how to replace a battery on a small Vista panel, a 20P, a 10P, a 15P. It could also be an 80T Safewatch or the First Alert version of all those. The reason I'm making this video is there's always a lot of confusion from end users and technicians alike about how battery trouble is never clear. So this is how to replace the battery and get this SYSTEM LOBAT to disappear from the keypad. So we've got our SYSTEM LOBAT, and when that happens, the backlighting does not come on. You don't have to have an alpha keypad for this. You can do this from any keypad that you have, even if it is just a digital keypad. So we're going to pretend that this is the new battery. It's not, but it is a good battery. So we put the new battery here physically inside the panel, and we're going to go ahead and connect it. Black to black, red to red. Now, if you don't do anything for a couple hours, that low battery will go away by itself. The manual says it needs to charge the battery, blah, blah, blah. I've been doing this for a lot of time. Batteries always come fully charged from the factory. If your battery's low out of the box, don't even install it. But this panel only checks the battery once every couple hours for a presence test. If you put that battery in, it could take up to 4 hours for the panel to do an automatic test to realize that the battery is now good. So we can either wait or we can force a test, and this is how we do that. Again, you don't have to have the alpha keypad, but it does make it easier, but it's not necessary. You can do this through the regular old 6150 numeric keypad. You have to have a ready light for this to work. If you don't have a ready light, you can bypass your open zones. But with that ready light on, we're going to go ahead and do a master code and then 5 for test. What's going to happen is we're going to hit 0. If you don't have an alpha keypad, you won't see this prompt, but you can just go ahead and hit 0. It's going to blast the siren for a couple seconds. It's going to send a test signal to your central station, and it's going to do a 4-minute battery test. And then once that battery test is completed, it sees a new battery. You will see this disappear. You will also get your restore at central station, and that's the big thing, because a lot of service techs, they throw a new battery in there, they go in and out of programming to force the system to clear, which basically restarts the panel, and they walk out the door. That's not the way to do it, because say you do install a bad battery, that trouble's coming right back in about 10 minutes. So this is the way to clear that trouble, and you will see your R302, that's your battery restore at central station, in about 5 minutes. So again, it's code, and then 5 here for test, and we're going to choose walk. We're going to see test in progress. Your regular keypads will display the letters D, D, and at this point, you can go ahead and use your code off. To exit test mode, this battery test is still going to stay for about 4 more minutes, and in about 4 minutes, you will see this low battery will go away by itself. Your backlighting will come back, and check your central station. You will absolutely see your battery restore. This is the right way to do it. This is testing the new battery to make sure that it's going to be good. And thank you for watching. Questions, comments, drop them below. Thank you.